Bulls are in control across most markets today. Let us look at where the momentum is strongest. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your India market briefing for August 2nd. We cover the Nifty 50, Sensex, Bank Nifty, and the stocks dominating headlines today. Let us start with a snapshot of the Indian equity markets today. Starting with the Nifty 50, India's benchmark large-cap index. Nifty 50 is trading higher by plus 0.27% at 24,384 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by South Korean stocks plunge, erasing RE rally gains as chip sell-off deepens. Nikkei Asia. Nifty 50 is in a consolidation phase, a pattern that can precede a significant directional break. Watch the $24,871 resistance and $23,896 support as the boundaries of the current range. The Sensex, tracking India's 30 largest blue-chip companies. Sensex ticked up plus 0.21% to 78,095 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by South Korean stocks plunge, erasing RE rally gains as chip sell-off deepens. Nikkei Asia. The Bank Nifty, India's banking sector barometer, is closely watched by traders as a leading indicator for the broader market. Bank Nifty ticked up plus 0.21% to 57,265 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by India's RBI allows differential rates on bulk deposits at banks based on liquidity risk. With Bank Nifty moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The $58,696 level above and $55,833 below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. Now let us look at the stocks making headlines in India today. Tata Steel edged higher plus 1.48% to 189.69 Indian rupees. The move follows reports that what puts BHP, ASX BHP, back in metals focus? Kalkine Media. The near-term technical picture for Tata Steel looks constructive. Watch the 197.28 Indian rupees level as the first meaningful resistance zone. A close above there on decent volume would be an encouraging sign for bulls. As always, this is analytical commentary, not financial advice. Infosys is down minus 2.16%, trading at 1,130.10 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by South Korean stocks plunge, erasing RE rally gains as chip sell-off deepens. Nikkei Asia. The Cobalt AI deal pipeline is growing, but revenue conversion takes 6 to 12 months. Near-term earnings momentum depends on existing account mining. Watch for any guidance revision commentary ahead of the quarterly earnings. The whisper is that the management has become more conservative than warranted. Now let us look at the macro backdrop for Indian markets. The rupee is strengthening against the dollar, trading at 95.39. A softer rupee compresses margins for import-heavy sectors like oil, consumer goods, and airlines, while IT exporters like TCS and Infosys benefit. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500, NASDAQ futures edge higher ahead of Fed decision, chip stocks wobble. WTVB. Foreign institutional investor flows are the near-term swing factor. Any risk-off in global markets tends to amplify selling pressure on Indian indices given the high FII ownership in Nifty 50 constituents. The biggest mover in India today is Infosys. Infosys is down minus 2.16%, trading at 1,130.10 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by South Korean stocks plunge, erasing RE rally gains as chip sell-off deepens. Nikkei Asia. The annual revenue guidance range is the single most important event. Any upgrade above the current midpoint is a catalyst for the entire IT sector. Cobalt AI platform deal wins are the differentiation story. Watch the large deal TCV and the revenue conversion timeline. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Every morning, before markets open, we break down exactly what is moving and why. If you want that edge every day, subscribe and hit the bell icon. If today's analysis was useful, a like is the best way to support the channel. We genuinely appreciate every single one. We read every comment. Drop your view below. That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is your India market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of Indian and global markets.